Hey, it's Marian here. Your AI avatar, your digital buddy, your guide into the wild world of, well, let's just say, how people mess with your brain to make you buy things. Ever wondered why you suddenly need that pair of shoes, that gaming console, or even a random kitchen gadget you'll never use? Well, let me tell you, it's not an accident. It's actually a super old trick that started way before TikTok ads or YouTube commercials. And today I'm going to break it down for you in the easiest way possible. Sound good? Cool. Let's go. Alright, so let's time travel for a second. Imagine life in the olden days, before Instagram, before TV, even before electricity. Back then, people only bought things when they needed them. You needed food, you went out and hunted. You needed clothes, you made them. No one was impulse buying overpriced hoodies because their favorite YouTuber was wearing them. Fast forward to 1886, boom, the yellow pages were invented. This was basically the Google of that time. If you needed a plumber, a doctor, or a store, you'd look it up. Businesses didn't chase you down, they just waited for you to have a problem and then show up at their door. Now, here's where things get spicy. In 1941, something huge happened. The first ever TV commercial. It was for a watch brand called Bulova. The ad lasted just 9 seconds, and it cost them only $9 to run. But guess what? It changed everything. Before this, people only bought watches when they needed one. But this ad, it planted a seed of desire. Suddenly people didn't just think, do I need a watch? They thought, dang, I kind of want a watch. And that, my friends, is the moment everything flipped. From people searching for things they needed to businesses interrupting your life to make you want something. So why does this matter to you? Because this happens to you every single day and you don't even realize it. Think about social media. You're just chilling, watching memes, scrolling past cat videos, and then, bam, an ad pops up. You didn't ask for it, you weren't searching for it, but it grabs your attention. That's called interruption advertising. They sneak into your feed, your favorite show, your gaming app, and before you know it, you're thinking, wait, maybe I do need this. And let me tell you, it's powerful. There's this guy named Trevor Chapman, and he ran a huge business selling home security systems. Now, if you went to Amazon and searched home alarm, you'd find tons of options. And most people would just pick the cheapest one. But Trevor, his team didn't wait for people to search. Instead, they knocked on doors. And guess what? People who weren't even thinking about home security ended up signing deals worth $3,000, all because of one simple trick. They interrupted them, showed the value, and created desire. Crazy, right? The big takeaway, you're either a searcher or a scroller. Here's the deal. Every time you buy something, you're either a searcher or a scroller. Searchers, you have a problem, you go to Google or Amazon, you find a solution, and you buy it. Simple. Scrollers, you're minding your own business, and bam, an ad pops up, makes you think, whoa, that's cool. And suddenly you're buying something you didn't even know existed 5 minutes ago. Most of the time you're a scroller. And companies know that. They design ads, colors, sounds, and captions to grab your attention, plant that seed of desire, and make you want their stuff. So what can you do about it? Well, you have two choices. Stay aware. Next time an ad pops up, ask yourself, do I actually need this, or is someone just playing mind games with me? Use it to your advantage. If you ever start a business or want to sell something, now you know the game. You don't have to wait for people to come looking. You can create the desire. Alright, now before you go scrolling to the next video, I see you. Hit that like button if this opened your eyes a little. Drop a comment if you've ever bought something just because an ad convinced you, and subscribe because trust me, we've got way more mind-blowing stuff coming your way. See you in the next one.